Is there a trade fair coming up where you need to network and make a good first impression? Do you travel a lot with work and have to make small talk in English? It's not always easy to know what to say, especially if you're a little bit shy and have to speak in a foreign language. In this video, I'll give you 5 simple tips on how to make the most out of a conversation with clients and colleagues. Stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Real Estate English Academy. I'm Jenny, and I'm really looking forward to today's lesson. When speaking with English native speakers, it's important to make sure you feel fluent and confident when it comes to small talk. You don't want to be that person who comes across as insecure or not interested just because you're not familiar with the tricks of the trade involved in small talk. Small talk is polite but superficial information. For English native speakers, small talk is the first step to getting to know someone, and it's crucial when it comes to building a relationship. English speakers like to get to know each other in a relaxed atmosphere. Awkward silences are not really a good thing when you're trying to create a pleasant atmosphere. And especially at trade fairs, you want to make sure that you make a good first impression. As an English native speaker who lives in Germany, I know how important it is to get things right when meeting new people. And English native speakers like to start a conversation with a little bit of small talk. So keep watching this video. It will definitely be worth sticking around until the end because I also have a few bonus tips in store for you that will help you master any small talk situation. So let's dive right in and start with tip number 1. Ask them about their trip, food, or sightseeing. How was your drive? How was your flight? How was your train ride? Now let's think about this for a moment. How might you answer this question? Everything went smoothly. There were no delays. There was no traffic. It was a little bit stressful. I missed my connecting flight in London. Is this your first time attending this trade fair? Yes, this is my first time. I'm enjoying it very much. Or, I've been here many times before. I think it's a very nice event. If you want to talk about food, you might say, I've heard the food, beer, or wine is excellent here. Have you tried it? Yes, the food is excellent. We went to a restaurant last night and the wine was outstanding. Or, what is your favorite type of cuisine? I love trying new things. I'm definitely planning to try the local cuisine. Or, I'm a vegetarian. It's great that there are so many vegetarian options in the city. And if you want to talk about sightseeing, you might say, have you had any time to do some sightseeing? Not yet. I have a tour booked for tomorrow afternoon. I'm looking forward to seeing more of the city. This city has very efficient public transportation. Did you use it to get here? Yes, the subway took me from my hotel straight to the trade fair grounds. The connection to the city center is excellent. Tip number 2, talk about the weather. How was the weather in France when you left? It was a bit rainy, but we're used to that kind of weather. We had lovely sunshine and the temperature was mild. Okay, now it's your turn again. How would you answer this question? Does it rain a lot here? It does in the spring and fall, but not so much in the summer. And it snows quite a bit in the winter. Does it get humid in the summer? Not really. It's usually pretty dry. Tip number 3. Ask about the local real estate market. How has the property market been performing in Spain in the past couple of years? The market has been experiencing a boom, or we've been seeing a slump. Has there been a lot of interest from foreign investors recently? Yes, particularly from Asian investors. Has the unemployment rate gone up or down in the past year? The unemployment rate has risen, or the unemployment rate has dropped over the past year. Tip number 4. Ask them about their country or city. How many inhabitants does Munich have? Munich has around 1.5 million inhabitants. How is the unemployment rate here in Germany? It's currently recorded at around 3%. Does the government support small businesses here? There are many government-backed support initiatives. Startups can take advantage of tax breaks and have access to government funding. You might also ask, do you have rent control regulations in your country? Yes, they were just introduced a couple of years ago. We'll see how it impacts the real estate market. Tip number 5. Talk about work or projects. What are you currently working on? I'm currently working on setting up a research team for our European Retail Fund. We're currently preparing marketing material to sell a property for one of our clients. Okay, now it's your turn again. How would you answer this question? It must be a lot of fun working with clients from around the world. What do you enjoy most about your job? I really like meeting new people from different countries. Or, I learned French in school. I particularly like speaking French whenever I can with my colleagues in Paris. Where did you study? I did my BA in New York, and then I relocated to Los Angeles to get my master's degree. Okay, these tips should give you a good general idea of how to make small talk in English. And don't worry, I haven't forgotten about the bonus information I promised you earlier in this video. There are a couple of things you want to keep in mind when making small talk. Let's start with the things you want to avoid. Generally, you want to avoid topics that deal with religion, politics, or money. These topics are just a little bit too personal and not suitable for small talk. The secret to successful small talk is to be friendly and genuinely interested. You want to make sure that you find common ground with the other person and talk about things that you have in common. Contribute to the conversation and be engaged. And lastly, don't forget to be relaxed and smile. Don't worry about making language mistakes or not finding the perfect word. That's okay, as long as you stay relaxed, interested, and friendly. So, what are your biggest hurdles when it comes to small talk? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.